Hello, ladies and gents. Welcome to this live stream. If you are watching us on YouTube replay, please do not hesitate to subscribe, smash that like button, and if you have any questions about the strategy we are going to explain, use the comments box. Also, if you are watching us live, feel free to ask us anything in the live chat. So, for the past couple of days, I've been explaining and backtesting and trading what I call the Magic 4 setup, which is based on a few parameters and basically on the basics of how the market works. So let's begin. So we will explain the market states. There are three, and what I call the Magic 4 strategy. So let's begin. First, let's explain the market states. Okay, so here you have what we call a narrow state. The price is moving in a narrow state up and down. You can call it consolidation, ranging market, anything. So this is your narrow state. Okay? The market in this case has only two things to do. Either go to a wide state to the upside or to a wide state to the downside. And from this point here, it also has only two choices, either to go down back to a narrow state or go up to a wide state. However, I'll explain why the possibility for it to go down to a narrow state again is highly likely. And from the sell state over here, wide, back to narrow. And you will see again a consolidation, sideways market, ranging state. Let's call it narrow state. So this is the first state, second state, and the third state. Only three. The market has nothing else to do. It's either moving sideways or up or down. Nothing else. Okay. Now from this point here, the market has only two things to do. Either to go back to a wide state to the upside or to a wide state to the downside. Wide state. We good up to this point, right? Very simple. Basics. Now, how do you, whenever you see that you are, we will go to the charts. Okay, I know you want to see the charts. We will go to the charts. Once we finish the basics and everything, we will move to the Magic 4 live on charts. So whenever you are in a narrow state such as this case over here, this is what you should be looking for binary options, forex, stocks, crypto, anything that has a chart. So here we have a narrow state and here we have a narrow state. Now let me explain what are the indications for you to take your trade whenever you are in a narrow state. So let's consider that this is your narrow state. Okay, and you have different candles moving in the state up and down. touching the support and resistance and bouncing off like this, right? Small candle over here, and so on. Okay, so you have what you do? You draw a rectangle over this area. Usually, you will have to see also within this area, above or below it, or within it, you should see the two moving averages that we will be using for this strategy. The 200 SMA moving average. Come on, the worst draw you can ever see. So this is your 200 average, moving average, and this is your 20 moving average. It should look something like this. So now that you have defined your narrow state and the prices are moving within this area, you should look for two candlestick patterns that shows you if the price is gonna push up or down. Again, this works for binary options, stocks, crypto, forex, anything that has a chart. So first, let's define our buy setup. So whenever you are in this state and you see a strong bullish engulfing candle that has a decent sizable bar, you need a sizable bullish bar that is bigger than anything you see on your left side. See this bar over here is bigger than anything you see here. And this bar has to close above your magic four, which are the sideways situation happening here in price and the 200 moving average in this case. So whenever you see a bar like this, you enter the trade over here. We are using 2 minutes chart candles, all right? So the last 30 seconds, if you see that the momentum is going strong, you enter your trade over here for 4 or 6 minutes expiry time for binary options. This this engulfing bar, this strong bullish bar, usually if you find it in the proper position, like in this case, has around 85% follow through rate to the upside. Okay. Now your second situation to take a buy, your second candlestick pattern to take a buy trade is a pin bar or a hammer. Some people call it a hammer. So you should see something like this. A long tail and a small body at the top. Okay? This is your second entry signal. You enter over here. Boom. 4 to 6 minutes. This thing has around 72% follow through rate to the upside. Now, if you see, let's say you are late, you come, you have your setup, you see that you missed entering over here, and you see a second candle like this pushing up. So you have a double situation, back to back pin bars like this. These, when they happen back to back next to each other, You have, listen to this carefully, a 90% follow through rate to the upside. Alright? Simple, easy, correct? A small note here, it isn't whenever you see such candlestick patterns on wherever you see it on the charts, you go for a buy or you go for a sell. No, it should be in a powerful position like a narrow state. So you look for those as a signal for you that the market is going to a wide state. Okay, so this is for a buy setup. Now let's do the sell. It's completely the same, however, the opposite direction. For a sell, let's bring the red color. For a sell, you should see after 10 to 12 candles, pushing around in the same area, support resistance, and you have your 220 moving average, you should see something like this. A strong, bullish, bearish engulfing bar. It might have a small wick over here or over here. It's okay. No problem. So this bar is much bigger than anything you see to your left side for the past 12 or 15 candles, 2 minute candle. Your entry point in this case is over here. Boom, 4 to 6 minutes sell position. Your other options are as follows. You should see something like this, inverted pin bar, the small body at the top. When you see this, you enter over here, boom, at the close or at the last 10 seconds, 4 to 6 minutes trade to the downside. Also in this case, if you see two pin bars back to back, let's say you are late, you come, you see your setup, you missed your entry over here, you see a green bar going up, and then you see this happening. Again, these two back to back are extremely powerful. They have approximately an average of 90% follow through rate. You take your boom, your sell over here, 4 to 6 minutes to the downside. Okay, there are more patterns. However, I'm trying to show you the easiest, most clear indications for you to spot those opportunities. All right. So this is your way to get your entry point out of the narrow states towards a wide state to the downside or to the upside. Okay. If you have any questions, this is the time before moving to the charts. Let's move to the charts. Okay. So first things first, let's set up our chart. We want 2 minute candles. We need two moving averages. You click twice on moving average. You go to the pen period. The first one is 200. Color up to you. I prefer to make the lines thick. Second moving average is a 20 moving average. So you change the period to 20. I will go for blue, 2 pixels, and save. Okay. USD Japanese. All right. It's actually in a narrow state. However, it's very jumpy. So let's add some pairs for us to backtest the Magic 4, show you how the market states. How do you see them on the chart? And take a few trades together live. I'll try to find some setups on live market if we have something. Now this is beautiful on USD Japanese. You see you have your narrow state here. Let me change the color to yellow. You have your narrow state. Your 20 and 200 moving averages are close together. You go to your drawing tools, your rectangle, and identify your magic four. So you have the swing high and swing low of the past 10 to 15 candles over here. Click save. So now you have your magic four in place. These are the magic four. 200 moving average, the last 10 to 15 minutes candles swing high and swing low. So swing low, swing high, moving averages. You have your magic four. Now we need to wait for the two candlestick patterns that we spoke about. Now one happened over here, which is nice. However, you need a breakout above your swing high, in this case resistance line, and a strong close above any of the two moving averages. So if it's from this side, we go for a buy. If it's from this side, we go for a sell. 4 to 6 minutes. Let me adjust the expiry to 4 minutes. Let's push this a little bit further to the future. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. That's nice. Okay, so let's wait for it. I'll set an alarm just for us to be able to know when things are moving our way. See how the 20 and 20 are extremely close together, plus a ranging situation, a narrow state when it comes to the price. So look at here, this is a narrow state, wide state, narrow, wide, back to narrow. The market move in a cycle. Okay, we have our strong push over here. I take a trade. Fantastic push. This is a clean and clear signal. We lose it or not, I don't care. This is a trade you should take without thinking. It should be, automatic. Boom over here. We like this boom, huh? So this is a clear example. You have your first pin bar, you had your second bar going down, and then the buyers kicked in, boom, pushed it upwards. Strong, powerful close above your swing high and the 200 moving average. I mean, this is a perfect situation to take a buy trade. Even in Forex, even if you trade Forex, this is your entry point for a buy setup. So we have all our confirmations in place. So let's wait for this trade to play out. In the meantime, let's look for another setup. Let's look for a narrow state. Okay, this is a narrow state as well. However, it might be on a breakout to the upside. I prefer to take something else. This is beautiful. Come on, guys. Take your rectangle. Even though the Russian pair on OTC is quite crazy. So this is your rectangle over here. You set up your magic four and you wait for your confirmation. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I suspect here it's gonna be to the downside since the overall trend of the pair is to the downside. I like the flattish situation of the 200 SMA. This is your 20 SMA. You have your magic 4 set up in place. We only need for confirmation. The USD Japanese is doing not very great. It's a shame. Situation. Oops, I'm taking $10 position. No problem. It's the tournament, so it's okay. It might win. Very close. Let's see. We have a strong candle forming over here. 10 seconds left on the USD Japanese trade we took. This is a win. This is a guaranteed win on the USD Japanese. Come on. And that. So we have our first trade in the money. I'll take 5 from this point onwards. So let's mark this by our notification bell and find something else. See this beautiful narrow state over here? Boom. In Forex, that's a beauty. In binary options, you would have lost this one. This is also beautiful. Euro USD OTC. I will set this. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is forming. Perfect. So you have your magic 4 in your setup, the 200 SMA, the 20 SMA, and your 12 candles over here. So we need a breakout. Let's also set an alarm over here and here. I prefer to take a sell on this one. As a rule of thumb, try to find pairs that have a flattish 200 SMA. Okay, something like this. We don't like to trade when the 200 SMA is going that strong to the downside or to the upside. However, since we are trading live and I want to show you how do we take the trades, the entry points, I'll try and take this one. So we have two setups playing out. We have a beautiful push over here. If you are watching this live, this replay on YouTube, please do not hesitate to subscribe. We need to reach 500 subscribers. Without your help, we're not going to be able to do it. So we will highly appreciate your support. Hit the subscribe button. If you have any questions, use the comments. If you want to join our trading VIP signals group on Telegram and on Pocket Option, all the links you need are in the description box. That's nice. Let's see. I need a strong close, strong bullish candle, no rejections. It's rejecting, so you don't do anything. You have to keep your cool, be patient, be disciplined, follow the rules. Okay, I'll set another alarm over here. It's moving nicely to the downside. I need a strong candle to close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. See, it's rejecting, no problem. You have a supply zone over here, so that's why. And it's a fresh supply zone, so it wasn't tested any time. So tested it over here, rejected. So let's see. See our Euro USD. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. We can do this in this case. It might take some time for your entry point, for your signal to show. You should be patient. You should wait. I know some of you guys work a 9 to 5 job, so I don't see why you are willing to spend 9 to 8 hours um, on your day-to-day job to make a certain amount of money per day. And whenever you are on charts, you are hasty and impulsive. You shouldn't. Give yourself time to make money. You know, give yourself an hour and a half per day to trade. There's no such thing as trading for 10, 15 minutes and making money and that's it. It's not gonna happen. You know, you have to be realistic. You have to think maturely about trading. Let's see if we have somewhere else. I'll show you some forex setups also using the same strategy on TradingView. So stay tuned. We love the forex thing. Okay, Euro Ruby got us. Let's see. Okay, also rejecting. We need a strong close above. Okay, it's happening. Come on. That's it. Beautiful. I love it. Come on. Let's wait for the last 30 seconds. Rejecting. Let's see if we can get a strong close above. Come on, that's it. Beautiful. Come on. I need a little bit more. Strong momentum. 15 seconds left. Nice. I'll take it here. Beautiful break out of the magic four area. See how strong, powerful, and big in size this is? It's bigger than anything you see to the left side and has zero wicks from the top. It's bigger than this one, bigger than this one, bigger than this one, and all those here, and even bigger than any bearish bar you see. This is a strong, decisive move. Perfect entry. You know, very few YouTubers dare to trade live. I'm trading in front of you guys. There's no, the video is uncut, unedited. So everything I'm doing from teaching the strategy to backtesting it to trading it live is been done in front of you. So you are seeing everything clean and raw, no gimmicks, no hiding stuff and faking results and all the BS you see all over the internet. This is beautiful. It's gonna give us a nice trade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10, 11, 12. It's happening. It's happening over here as well. I need strong close above. Beautiful. This is doing fantastically great. Come on. We need a strong close above zone. So you have your magic four, swing high, swing low, 200 SMA, 20 SMA. We need our candlestick pattern engulfing bar or a pin bar, strong sizable pin bar to the top, closing above. Over here, we'll take the buy trade. This is doing nice. Beautiful push. Come on, give us more. As a forex trader, here, it's pushing. That's it. Come on, baby. Let's wait for the last 30 seconds, upon which we'll decide if we'll go for it or not. Beautiful. That's it. Come on. Strong. Keep pushing strong. That's it. Beautiful push. Nice push. I'll wait for the last 30 seconds. I need to see stronger momentum. Okay, so now we are in the last 30 seconds. I need a strong close or a push. That's it. I'll take a buy over here. This is gonna be a winning trade, and that good. 2 out of 2 till now. Let's see how this will play out. Now, usually in the forex market, live forex market, and stocks and crypto, when you have a strong and bullish bar like this, it's impossible for it, or it has a very low possibility for it to push back at the last 10 to 15 seconds. So, this is something you have to be careful about on OTC pairs. Then, since most of the time they are jumpy and they move erratically sometimes. However, the strategy is still very valid. If you get this close over here, this is beautiful. So if I see a close with a small body at the top in green or in red, I don't care. I take another position. I'll set an alarm over here as well. Let me see something else. I would avoid this situation. Look for something clear and clean. This is nice. I need a break above this area. Euro USD is coming up. Beautiful. I'll take a second trade on this one. Beautiful. Come on. That's it. That's my baby. Come on. I'll take a trade here. All right. We were working on CHF knock. Let me increase the size here. Push it to the future. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Narrow state. Both moving averages are within the magic 4. We need a strong push up. Nice. Come on, keep pushing. I'll set an alarm over here. First entry, 20 seconds left. Looking nice. Nice, beautiful push. Come on, guys, I love the market. It moves in a cycle. Goes up, down, narrow state. First trade is a win on this pair. So we have two winning trades till now in total. I guess this one is going to be a win as well. The market is giving us quick and nice setups. Three trades. We actually are three trades up, three out of three. And this one is playing out, also winning. I don't see how this can push all the way down here after this beautiful pin bar here and this nice bullish bar to the upside. We can do this up to at this point. Come on, it's pushing. Here it goes. That's it. Rejecting. All right, no problem. You have to wait. Let me see over here. Okay. Beautiful. Rejection. Come on. It's all right. Perfectly fine. We have already three winning trades. Let me put an alarm over here as well. And here it goes. That's win. See, guys, we have 4 out of 4. Now, the last one was a bit close, +1. Already told you you can take 4 or 6 minutes expiry. So, in my opinion, this over here is going to close in green. Let's see what's going on here. At this point, even though we have a setup maybe forming on the CHF knock, you have, whenever you see that you have 4 trades winning back to back, stop trading. Okay, now we are talking something else. We are talking trading psychology. Stop trading and come back tomorrow. As simple as that. You will ask me why. I'll tell you why. We started with 100. We started over here. Look here. Let me change the color to yellow. We started over here with $100. Now, after winning 4 trades in a row, using our Magic 4 strategy, we have a profit of $22.2. So that's a 22% ROI for the day. Stop trading. Let me give you an example. If you have a $1,000 account, that would be a $220. If you have a $10,000 account, that would be a $2,200 profit. Stop trading. Leave the damn thing. Close pocket option. Come back the next day for a new session. So I'll give you a few minutes if you have any questions regarding the strategy and how we trade it. This is nice. I like it. The market is beautiful. So if I see that you have no questions, I will end it. We were able to close 4 out of 4 trades in the money. We made 22% ROI. The trading session took us from 11, 20 minutes. It took us 20 minutes to find 4 trades, 4 winning trades back to back using the Magic 4 trading strategy. I like to call it the Magic 4. So if you have no questions so far, let's end it here. If you are still watching us on YouTube replay, please do not hesitate to subscribe. We need to reach 500 subscribers. Without your help, we're not going to do so. Thank you so much. See you in our next live streaming.